In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write first, second, third, and other ordinal numbers in Microsoft Word using superscript. When you're typing dates or ordinal numbers, like 1st of April or 3rd place, it often looks more professional to have the letters ST, ND, RD, or TH appear slightly above the line in a smaller size. That style is called superscript, and Word can actually do this for you automatically. Or you can format it manually if you prefer more control. Let's start with the automatic option, because that's what most people will want to use day to day. Open your Word document and type an ordinal number, for example, first or second. In many versions of Word, as soon as you press the spacebar after typing it, Word will automatically convert the ST or ND into superscript. If that happens, you're already done. You can keep typing the rest of your sentence, and every time you write an ordinal number, Word will apply the same formatting. If nothing changes when you press space, it just means the automatic feature is turned off. To turn it on, go to the File menu, then choose Options. In the Word Options window, click on Proofing, then select Auto Correct Options. In the dialog that opens, move to the Auto Format as you type tab. Look for the option that mentions ordinals with superscript. Make sure that box is checked. Click OK to close each window and return to your document. Now try typing first again and press space. You should see the superscript formatting appear automatically. There are times when you might not want Word to decide for you, or when you're working on a single word or a specific part of a document. In that case, you can apply superscript manually. Type your number and the letters normally first. Then, with your mouse, highlight just the letters ST, ND, RD, or TH. On the Home tab in the ribbon, look for the Font section. You'll see a small button with an X and a raised 2, which is the superscript icon. Click that, and the selected letters will jump up slightly and become smaller. You can toggle this on and off the same way, so if you change your mind, just select the text and click the icon again. Both automatic and manual methods will give you that clean, professional look for dates and ordinal numbers. Once you've set it up, it becomes a small detail that really improves the overall polish of your documents.